Welcome back. School is starting. Let's review some books. Oh, Rocky, how are you? How have you been?
Oh yeah, Miss Rennie, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. How are you? What's going on? How are you?
Yeah, I'm excited to be back and do some videos. I see you still have your banana.
Oh yeah, I like my banana. I eat on that quite a bit. I really do like it. I really do like it. How are you?
Yeah, I am here.
Who's who's that? Is that Jimbo? Jimbo, is that you?
So I prefer to be called Dr. Jimothy Niall Esquire the Third. I just returned from a study abroad in Duck University, where I studied. Yeah, what'd you study? What'd you study? I'm just curious. What'd you study? What'd you study? Well, I studied Spanish and a very old duck language called Duckish. Well, are we gonna read or what are we gonna do? Because I kind of want to read books. You guys want to read books out there? Oh, I bet they do. They're probably ready to read books and review the books we read and have fun, right?
I have the words right here.
I have the books. Printable. I have the books. Let's read. Okay. So the words that we're going to learn today are two words. E, which is and, tengo, which is I have. Let's put them up here on a third column. Y tengo. The books that we're going to read today, look at this, says Dr. Jimothy Niall Esquire the Third. The books that we're going to read today are three books. There's Nino y Nina. Hey, I have cats. It looks like the cats. Tengo un gato. Oh, like about cats again. And yo tengo. I have. Enjoy. Oh, Nino y Nina.
Nino and Nina, this looks like a good book.
Es Nino y Nina.
Nino y Nina, I like this book.
Nino y Nina duermen.
Oh, duermen, that means they're asleep, right?
Nino ama a Nina.
Oh, look at the cats. They look like they're really enjoying it.
Y Nina ama a Nino.
Oh, the cats love each other. That's so cool. I love this book. Such a good book. I love this book.
I appreciate this book. It was very delightful. Tengo un gato. Tengo un gato.
Oh man, I love cats. I love cats so much.
Tengo una lata. Tengo una gorra.
Oh, a hat. I like that one. It's about a hat. I like hats.
Dame un abrazo. That book was very good. I liked the book called Tengo un gato.
Because I am very intelligent. Yeah, I like that book too, Jimbo. I am called Dr. Jimothy. Okay, the book number 3 is called Yo Tengo. Yeah, I like that one. It's called I have. Okay, let's read it. Let's go. Tengo una flor. Oh, a flower. I like that one about flowers. Tengo una taza y un platillo. Dido tomate y Dani tomate. Tengo sueño. Oh, I'm kind of tired too.
Good job, everybody. So the books that we had today were these: Nino y Nina, Tengo un gato, Yo tengo. And the words today were y, which is and tengo, which is I have. Let's just review all the words we've done so far. Let's go together. Un, una, es, él. Good job, everybody. Tiene, veo. And then today's new words were y and tengo. The more words you know, the better you can read in Spanish. And it's so fun to read in any language. Good job, families. Good job, kids. Good job, everybody.